Alright guys, so this is what the finished product looks like. And I don't have the color rings on right now. I disconnected them from power because I think that the actual headlights, it was drawing power away from the brightness of the headlights. So if you see, those are fully LEDs. This is what the other side looks like. And these are a nice addition too. These are aftermarket as well. Yeah, let me open this up and I'll show you the inside. Alright, so if you can see in here, it's a little dirty. The truck's been running for a while. So this is the aftermarket piece that you'll buy off of Rainey's. And if you see in there, try to get a better angle of this, better light. So you see in there, that's the aftermarket piece that you'll buy from Rainey's. And the headlight actually bolts in right there. And the customization you'll have to make is, so I actually had to wire it comes standard with this connection here, and then you have to wire in, so you have to cut the wire and then splice from your factory wires. You have to splice this connector in, and as you see, the part that you buy from Rainey's has a cap on the back, but you'll actually I leave it without it because of, I know that these need fins for cooling, so I didn't want to close that to build up too much heat. Yeah, I can show you the other side a little better. Okay, so here's the other side. So you see down in there, that's the aftermarket part for the 05 Freightliner Century headlight kit that you're going to buy. And these are only meant to hold like your old school halogen circular bulbs. So you actually have to show you right here if you can see it. So this right here, down here, get some light, down here on the edge right here where my finger is, you actually have to cut and trim it up with a Dremel so that it will fit. And then you cinch, you basically just connect the existing headlight in right there, and it's, there it is right there. See if I can get a better angle. Yeah, so here's the connector, and yeah, so you have to figure out which wires are your high beams and low beams, and then you have to splice in this connector, and then this connector plugs straight into the headlight. Trying to show, okay, so right here, I don't know if you can see that, but that is I had to Dremel and cut into the plastic right there on the inside where that cone is on the stock 05 headlight mounting bezel, so that it could fit the aftermarket LED, because these fins right here, so the fins that you can see right there, they actually, so you can see you have to cut, kind of bore out that area so that the fins will fit. Now I don't know if other headlights will work differently. They might be a little bit thinner, not have such a big back to them, but hope this helps. And yeah, so this is how you will install custom LED headlights onto your 06 and newer Freightliner Century. Alright guys, so these are the headlights that I bought, that I actually currently have on the truck. As you can see, these ones are color changing. I was going to show you the actual headlight so you can get an idea of what I'm talking about the back housing not fitting. So here's the actual headlight. These ones are brand new. So if you look here, so let's get some light. So you look at this. So this housing, so this back part right here is what doesn't fit, and that, so you can see how you know how thick that is, and you gotta cut into that so that those fins fit. Yep, that's it. Alright, so this is the Freightliner Century headlight housing that you'll buy, and I know it says it's for 1996 to 2005, but this you'll need to make some custom changes, and this is from Rainey's Truck Parts under Freightliner Century. So here I've marked the mounting holes. You're going to have to get nuts, bolts, washers to fasten this to the hood. The OEM style headlight mount for the 2006 and newer Freightliner Centuries, they have studs that actually go through the hood, and then you bolt it into place. But these, as you've seen, I've marked and circled all 4 of these holes that you'll have to put bolts through and then fasten with nuts and washers, and that's how you fasten this onto the your hood. Thank you guys so much for watching, and before you go, I wanted to mention that we are at 200 subscribers, and I thank you very much. And once we hit 1,000 subscribers, I would like to give away a pair of these exact headlights to one of my subscribers once we hit 1,000. As always, guys, comment down below with any questions, like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next one.